So here we go. What? After all this time, did I get? This is the Bradford Guardian 3. If anybody's wondering what I'm unboxing with. Alrighty tighty. Staples, man, this thing is, they did this. They did this. If I'm not mistaken, there should be another box inside of the box. No, that was it. Okay. Ooh, come see. Come see, it's shiny. It's shiny and pretty. Ooh, look at all that. Look at all that. Yes, indeed. Okay, so let's see, probably the first and last time that I'll ever even see that. It is cushy though. Even my old the tired and troubled behind would probably work with that. Some stuff. That's the steering wheel. That's attached to it. That's the rest of the seat thing. That's tied into something else. There's a little scooter bag that comes with it that hangs for the front handlebar. Everything else is pretty much locked in. Alright, let me set this aside right here. The rest of this is kind of garbage. Plump, plump, plump. That'll come out after the scooter comes out. A nice little toolkit. I've been seeing this in the video pictures. That's like, you know, you can pay for it, Lowe's or something. And all kinds of little sockets, every size socket that you might need. All kinds of little adjusters, and these are just a bunch of Allen wrenches. Very cool. Very nice. There's a big square, Phillips and flathead. I'll be doggone. Oh, that's your socket wrench thing. That's your socket thing. That's holds your socket. It's got the little ball on it. Okay. Yeah. That's one of them things. You know, one of the things that does the things. You know, if they shape like that, then that'll do it. Okay? It's a lesson in life there, boys. But, yeah. Okay. So, yeah. Looks good. Everything seems attached. There's boxes of stuff down in there. That's probably the adapter. There's one more little tool. I see just floating freely. Probably fill out something, you know. Something like this comes from California. I can't quite get my fingers on it. I'll get it after I get the scooter out. Alright, so here we go. This should be folded up. So, let's see. On that wheel right there. Get that out. I'm going to twist it to rest like that. That seems like that would be good. Good Lord, this thing's heavy. Pull that box. Woo. Wow. Okay. Alright, we're free. Alright. That's what was in the box. There you go. Appreciate that. This might be important. We don't know. There's probably some extra something. I will read the instructions and another little 2L. And there we go. That's what came in the box. Alright, I'm going to get to cutting and untaping, and then we'll come back to that later. I think that's a good enough start there, pillars. Peace. That's all we got.